Have you ever dreamed of transitioning from a couch potato to a cash king without breaking a sweat? Well, grab your favorite snack and get comfy because we're diving into the world of effortless income from the comfort of your home. Imagine this. You're lounging in your pajamas, binge-watching your favorite series, and suddenly your bank account starts to grow. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if I told you that earning $200 a day could be just a few clicks away? In this video, we'll explore some fun and easy ways to make money while you're still in your cozy spot on the couch. Whether it's online surveys, affiliate marketing, or even selling your old stuff, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're ready to turn your Netflix time into cash time, stick around. Who knew that being a couch potato could lead to financial freedom? Let's get started on this exciting journey to effortless earnings. Understanding the couch potato mindset. Let's face it, we all have those days when the couch becomes our best friend, and the remote is our trusty sidekick. The couch potato lifestyle is relatable, filled with cozy blankets, snacks, and a never-ending queue of shows to binge. But here's the kicker. This laid-back lifestyle can be a launching pad for easy income. Picture this. While you're lounging, you could be tapping into your phone or laptop to explore money-making opportunities. The desire for easy income is universal, and who better to capitalize on it than someone who knows how to maximize relaxation? Embrace the humor in your current situation. After all, if you can master the art of doing nothing, you can certainly learn to do something that pays. So, instead of feeling guilty about your couch time, see it as a foundation for change. With a little creativity and a sprinkle of motivation, you can transform your couch potato habits into a profitable venture. Let's turn that comfy spot into a cash-generating throne. Identifying low-effort income streams. If you're ready to turn your couch time into cash, let's explore some specific low-effort income streams that can help you earn money with minimal effort. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it super easy to get started. Just share links on your social media or blog and watch the earnings roll in. Another great option is participating in online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks reward you for sharing your opinions on various topics. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons while you sip your favorite drink. When choosing your income streams, it's crucial to align them with your interests and skills. If you love writing, consider starting a blog or creating content for others. If you're a social media whiz, affiliate marketing might be your jam. By selecting methods that resonate with you, you'll not only enjoy the process, but also increase your chances of success. Let's get earning. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting an online course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. There is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue setting up for success. As you embark on your new income journey, it's essential to set yourself up for success. First things first, let's talk about the necessary tools and resources you'll need to start earning money online. A reliable computer or smartphone is a must, along with a stable internet connection. Depending on your chosen income stream, you might also need specific software or apps, so do a little research to find what works best for you. Next, create a comfortable workspace that enhances your productivity. Whether it's a cozy corner of your living room or a dedicated home office, make sure it's a space where you feel inspired and focused. A clutter-free environment can work wonders for your motivation. Lastly, it's crucial to set realistic goals and expectations for your income. While dreaming big is great, remember that building a steady income takes time and effort. Start with small, achievable milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. With the right setup and mindset, you'll be well on your way to financial success, maximizing earnings with minimal effort. Now that you're on your way to earning money from home, let's talk about how to maximize those earnings with minimal effort. One effective strategy is to automate your income processes. Tools like scheduling apps can help you plan social media posts or email campaigns in advance, allowing you to focus on other tasks while your income streams work for you in the background. Another key tip is to diversify your income streams. Instead of relying on just one method, explore multiple avenues like affiliate marketing, online surveys, or even selling digital products. This not only increases your potential earnings, but also spreads out the risk if one stream slows down. Lastly, remember that consistency and patience are vital in achieving your financial goals. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but sticking to your plan and regularly engaging with your income streams will pay off in the long run. Keep pushing forward, and soon enough, you'll see the fruits of your efforts. Real-life success stories. Let's dive into some inspiring real-life success stories of individuals who transformed from couch potatoes to earners, proving that effortless income is within reach. Take Sarah, for example. She started by taking online surveys while watching her favorite shows. Over time, she discovered affiliate marketing and now earns a steady income by sharing product recommendations on her blog. Then there's Mike, a former video game enthusiast who turned his passion into profit. He began streaming his gameplay on platforms like Twitch, and with dedication, he built a loyal following that now supports him through subscriptions and donations. These stories highlight the diverse backgrounds and methods used by everyday people to achieve financial success. Whether it's through blogging, streaming, or online gigs, each journey is unique yet relatable. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 145 to choose from.